hey everyone, welcome back to Ms. V English. I'm really happy you're here today because, sometimes talking about our feelings is hard, even in our own language. And in English, oh wow, it becomes even more confusing. But don't worry, today David and I will make it super easy for you.
Yes, we'll teach you simple, real-life English you can use today. Feelings, emotions, daily life reactions, all in one friendly lesson. So sit back, relax, and let's take this journey together.
And remember, you don't just learn English here, you feel English. All right, ready? Let's go.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to tell someone how you feel, but you didn't know the right English words?
Maybe you were sad, or excited, or nervous, but your mind went blank.
Oh, I know that feeling. You try to speak, but the words don't match the emotion. So today, we fix that forever.
Yes, by the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your feelings clearly, confidently, and naturally. Repeat after us anytime. Say things out loud. Practice makes everything easier. Trust me. Okay, David, let's start with a nice one. Feeling happy. How do you normally say it?
Hmm. Many ways you can say, I'm happy. I feel good. I'm in a great mood. Or my favorite, oh wow, today feels amazing.
Haha, I love that one. Students, try this. Repeat after me. I'm in a good mood today. Nice and slow. Good.
You can also show happiness with small expressions like, wow, that's great. Oh, that made my day.
Yes. Little expressions make your English sound real. Try this one. That made my day. Perfect. Keep going. Now let's talk about feeling sad because, life is not always sunshine.
Very true. And it's important to express it. You can say, I'm feeling down. I'm a bit sad today. Or, I'm not myself today.
Oh, that last one is so natural. Repeat after me. I'm not myself today. Nice.
You can also express deeper sadness in a soft way. My heart feels heavy. Or, I'm going through a tough time.
Yes, these are gentle, polite ways to talk about difficult emotions.
Okay, now something a bit stronger. Anger.
Oh, this one is tricky because tone matters a lot. You don't want to sound rude, so try softer expressions like, I'm a little upset, I'm frustrated, I'm annoyed.
Exactly. If you say I'm angry, it can sound too direct sometimes. But I'm frustrated is natural and safe.
Repeat after us. I'm frustrated. Good. And I need some time to calm down. Amazing. Okay, this one is very common, feeling worried or scared.
Yes, one easy phrase is, I'm a little worried, or I feel nervous.
Or even, I'm not sure about this. Oh, this makes me nervous. I feel uneasy.
These phrases are soft and polite, perfect for daily life.
Students, say this out loud. I feel a little nervous. Nice. Keep practicing.
And sometimes you're not sad, not angry, not scared. You're just confused. Ha ha ha.
Oh, yes. And learners feel this a lot. Say, I'm confused. I don't get it. I'm not sure what you mean. Or the friendly one. I don't understand this part.
Simple, clear, natural.
Repeat after me. I'm not sure what you mean. Perfect. One of my favorites. surprise.
Ha ha ha. Yes, surprise has so many fun expressions. Wow. No way. You're kidding. Oh, really?
Try this one. Wow, I didn't expect that. Students, say it. Good.
And finally, a soft and warm emotion, love.
Oh, this one is beautiful. You can say, I care about you. You mean a lot to me. I appreciate you. Or, you make me happy.
These are kind, polite, and sweet.
Repeat after me. You mean a lot to me. Oh, nice. Okay, now an emotion almost everyone feels. Stress.
Oh, yes, even I feel it sometimes. You can say, I'm stressed. I feel overwhelmed. There's a lot on my mind.
A softer version is, I'm dealing with a lot right now. Or, I need a break.
Students, repeat this. I feel overwhelmed. Nice, slow, and clear.
Now let's move to something fun. Excitement.
Yes, say, I'm excited. I can't wait. This is amazing. Oh, wow. This makes me so happy.
Repeat after me. I can't wait. Great.
Excitement makes your English sound alive, full of energy.
This one is common too. Feeling embarrassed.
Yes, but you can say it politely. I feel embarrassed. I feel awkward. That was uncomfortable.
Or the cute version, oh no, that was embarrassing. Haha.
Students, repeat softly. I feel a little awkward. Very natural.
Let's talk about feeling proud. This is such a positive emotion.
You can say, I'm proud of myself. I did a good job. I feel confident today.
Oh, I love that. Confidence changes your voice, your energy, everything. Repeat this. I feel confident today. Beautiful.
This one is gentle, and many students feel it when learning English, feeling alone.
Yes, very true. You can say, I feel lonely. I feel alone. I wish I had someone to talk to.
Or a softer version, I'm feeling a bit isolated.
Students, repeat after me. I feel a little lonely. Good. You're doing great. Let's talk about regret. That feeling of wishing you did something differently.
You can say, I regret that. I shouldn't have done that. I wish I hadn't said that.
Or the gentle one, I made a mistake. We all do. It's okay.
Repeat, I made a mistake. Good.
Gratitude is such a beautiful emotion. You can say, I'm grateful. I appreciate this. I'm thankful for you.
Yes, gratitude makes your English warm and kind.
Repeat with feeling, I'm grateful. Nice.
And one more, feeling hopeful.
You can say, I'm hopeful. I feel positive. I believe things will get better.
Students, try this. I feel hopeful. Amazing.
All right, students, let's do a quick vocabulary spotlight. Listen, repeat, and practice with real emotion. Happiness words. Happy, in a good mood, excited, amazing. Sadness words. Sad, down, heart feels heavy, not myself. Anger words. Upset, frustrated, annoyed, fear, words, worried, nervous, uneasy, confusion. Words, confused, not sure, don't get it. Love words, care, means a lot, appreciate, happy with you. Stress words, stressed, overwhelmed, need a break. Embarrassment, Words: awkward, embarrassed, uncomfortable. Hope words: hopeful, positive, believe things will get better. Emma: great! Now let's do mini practice.
Say this. I feel nervous. Good.
Now, I'm in a good mood today. Nice.
Try. I'm frustrated. Great.
And now something soft. I'm grateful. Beautiful. Okay, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
We talked about happiness, sadness, anger, fear, confusion, surprise, love, stress, excitement, embarrassment, confidence, loneliness, regret, gratitude, hope.
Wow, that's a lot. But you learned each emotion with simple, clear English.
And you practiced real expressions people use every day. You're doing amazing.
Before we end, I want to say something important. Learning English is not just about grammar, it's about expressing your heart, your real feelings, your real voice.
Yes, every time you say a new expression, every time you speak out loud, you grow a little more confident.
So don't be shy. Keep practicing. Keep repeating. Keep talking, even if it feels scary sometimes.
And remember, we're here with you. You're not alone on this journey.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning. And thank you for being brave.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep going.